Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. We can sometimes witness cat and dog fighting each other, but that's not all. So what do they do more? Let's Cat can come up with many hilarious tricks that you may have never seen before. The perfect place for resting is beside your best friend. This can be one of your most favorite boxing match ever. This bed not only a perfect place to lay down, but it can also provide top-tier massaging. Size doesn't matter. As long as loving the other, they can always get along.
But the Dunlins don't need a predator to prompt this phenomenon. They do it with or without a falcon moon.
When they sleep together, it will be the best time.
Species partake in this exceptional display, forming perfect patterns of movement.
This kitten won't need to be afraid of anyone when she has such a huge bestie beside. Though how many times cat hits him, dog just wants a little cuddle. This is definitely everybody's friendship goal. Nothing is more dangerous than a hungry cat. Dog should share the food with his pal next time.
Oh! You gotta be kidding me!
When the thief is a friend of the guard, there is absolutely a mistake in recruitment. The kitten is absolutely no match for the puppy in this chasing game. The most peaceful place is still beside his cat friend. A weird attention toward tails, but dogs also. Want to get your cat or dog a friend in-house? Let us know in the comments and see you again in the next video with much more cute moments.